Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm at Burlington. I'm at the handbag section. Look what I'm looking at here. I love the structure of this bag with double zips. Look at that. Good hardware. This is such a beautiful crossbody bag with bold straps. Let me bring this down. This is so interesting. I like this. Look. Yeah. If I'm to get this, I would definitely adjust these straps. Look, with adjustable straps up to here and cross these to be really high on me, not low. Look at this. This is so cute. I love this for just $32.99 by Guess. Down here is the stop handle one by Guess as well. Look at the front. All right. Yeah, let's see. By Guess. This one is $34.99. All right. Look at this backpack with two pom-poms. All right, this one is $19.99. Here we have this hat crossbody bag by Steve Madden. And let's see, with coins, purse. And this one was $88. Today you get this for $207.99. Okay, check out this structure. I love this. And this one was $78. Today you get this for $204.99 by Macklin. I love the structure. The leather feels so good as well. Yeah, good shoulder bag. Look at the front actually. Good shoulder. This can serve as top handle as well. Crossbody bag. Okay, see what we got here. By DKNY. Good messenger bag. This one is, I don't know, two prices here. I'm looking at $28.39 and also $39.99. I don't know which one. Okay. Yeah. Behind is this big bag. Let me show you. This is by Guess. And yeah, this one is $44.99. Here we have this one by GC Culture. The leather feels good. This was $79. Today you get for $19.99 in the store. Behind is this bag. I love the size. This is the size I can do. I'm a small bag girl. When you come to big bag, I'm very picky. But this size, I can do this size. I can get away with it. This one is $29.99. Beside is this one by West for $29.99. Let's move out from here. The music is loud. All right, behind me we have this backpack by CK for $69.99, and also this traveling bag by DKNY. Okay, here we have more bags by CK. We have this one for $69.99. I've seen this in a different color behind me. And here we have this one by Steve Madden for $39.99. Here you go, CK as well. Yeah. If you're interested to see black handbags they have in the store, keep watching. Don't go away. Today I will show you handbags all through. Look, $42.99. Okay, here we have this one for $16.99. Yeah, we've seen this before. And this is by Tommy Hilfiger for $34.99. If you're enjoying my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. That's all I need from you. If you don't understand me, please reduce your volume and enjoy what I have for you in the store, okay? Look what we got here. I love this size. I love look at the color, very good. By Steve Madden. And this was the $88. Today you get for $27.99. Okay, here we have this one by Steve Madden. Okay, for $29.99. Yeah, I received a message from one of you to show you pants in the store and skirts. In my next video, watch out for that. Look what we got here. This is so cool. I love this pillow bag by Steve Madden for just $29.99. This is so cool. If I'm to get this, I will remove the crossbody and just, deal with this. I love the gold hardware. Very good. It looks expensive. For $29.99, this is so good. And on the shade is also very good as well. I love this. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so cool. So tempting. Okay. I may go for that after filming. I love that. And behind is this one with 3 up to 4 zip closure for $14.99. The quality is good. Okay, I'm looking at this bag behind. Okay, it's a big bag. All right, look what we got here. This one is by Anna Klein. This is $27.99 and this was $85. Nightwears, here you go for $27.99. Here we have another one by Nightwears for $29.99. All right, behind me we have black bags. Let's see what they have here for us. Okay, here we have this one for $19.99 and this was $79. It's interesting if you ask me. It's interesting if you ask me. Look at bags, black bags. They have lots of new bags in the store today. Okay. Here we have this one by Karl Lagerfeld. Look what we got here. Alright. And these. I love these. Alright. This feels so good. And the top handle length is so good by DKNY for just $33.69. I don't have anything like this. And this may be a very good start for me. Yeah, to keep first for in my collection. So cool. All right, down here we have this one by DKNY for $39.99. Up here we have this one by Nye West. Nye West don't sleep. They make good handbags, good clothes as well. Up here is also Nye West. Look at that big structured bag. This one is $29.99 and their price very good as well. Here we have this one for $29.99. Who made this? Oh my God, the zip closure on this one, the silver good zip closure is very good. This is also Nye West. Up here we have this big one. This looks like pillow, but it's actually leather. All right, and this one was $108. You get it for $39.99 by Steve Madden. Good. Here we have this one by Nye West for $29.99. Here we have this big bag. This is by this brand for just $16.99. Behind, another one, well structured, by the same brand with tassel at the front. This one is $17.99. This bag, this brand, they make, you know, good quality, you know, bags, at a very reasonable price. Look at that. Very good. For that, $17.99. You can never go wrong. Here we have this one by Nightwear for $27.99. Here we have the shoulder bag by True Religion. Look. Alright. Yeah. This one is $34.99. Here we go. Look what we got here by London Ford. Interesting traveling bag. I love them. How matte it looks. It looks so, like, the leather looks so expensive. And this one is $29.99. I would love to get something like this because I'm planning to, yeah. Yeah, this will be perfect for my next trip. Trust me. Okay, thank you so much if you made it to this point. If you are looking for a very good handbags, trust me, come to Burlington. They got you covered. Burlington got lots of new handbags in the store. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.